Did you know when hair is severely damaged, whether from colour, heat or styling, the internal peptide structure breaks down? Hello everyone, I'm Joel from L'Oreal Pro Education. Most products only coat the surface, but today we're going deep. We're talking about the L'Oreal Professionnel Absolut Repair Molecular Home Care Regime. It uses a breakthrough technology that injects 5 essential amino acids and a peptide bonder back into the fibre. Let's walk through the 4 steps to transform your hair from the inside out. We start with the Absolut Repair Molecular Shampoo. This is a patented, sulfate-free formula. Because it's so concentrated, you only need a small amount. You apply to wet hair, lather, and massage. It cleanses while beginning the repair process. The texture is rich and creamy, makes the hair easy to detangle right from the start. Rinse it out thoroughly, and your hair is now perfectly prepared for the serum. Pro tip to remember is fragile hair needs to be treated like a fine silk garment. So even with your shampoo, while you need to lather, try to be gentle. Now for the most innovative step, the rinse off serum. This is the primary choice for deep internal structural repair because this molecular texture allows for instant deep penetration to rebuild bonds. This isn't a conditioner, it's a molecular reconstructor. Once you've rinsed your 2 shampoos, you'll apply to wet hair in sections, 2 to 3 pumps per section, from mid-lengths to ends. Work the serum into the fibre for about 1 minute. You'll notice there's no wait time as the molecular penetration is instant. This works so deeply that it actually restores the hair's strength and elasticity. Once you've smoothed it through, rinse it out. Your hair will already feel transformed. However, we also have Absolut Repair Molecular Mask for those who prefer a traditional creamy texture while still benefiting from molecular level repair. While the rinse-off serum is the go-to for maximum deep penetration and bond reconstruction without weight, making it ideal for fine to normal hair. You would choose the Professionnel mask if your hair is thick, very dry, or prone to detangling. The mask also combines the range's signature 5 amino acids and peptide bonder with a concentrated conditioning complex, providing the internal structural repair of the serum alongside the intense surface nourishment and slip of a rich treatment. It is the perfect choice when you need to reform the hair's molecular structure while simultaneously achieving maximum softness and easier detangling for coarser hair types. You can choose your best fit or use both. Now before we style, we need to protect. Step 3 is the Absolut Repair Molecular Leave-In Mask. This lightweight cream is the shield for your hair. Apply a small amount to towel-dried hair and spread it evenly through the lengths and ends. This cream provides heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius and continues the internal repair. It improves the hair's suppleness and ensures that the molecular bonds we just rebuilt stay protected against daily friction and heat styling. To finish, we have the star product for that professional glass hair finish, the biphase oil. This is the shake to shine step. Shake the bottle vigorously to mix the 2 phases together. Apply 1 to 2 pumps into the palm of your hand and smooth over the hair. By shaking it, you mix the peptide bonders with the shine enhancers. It's incredibly fast absorbing and lightweight. This is going to give you 100 hours of radiant shine and 3 days of frizz control. It's the final touch that makes the hair look as healthy as it now feels internally. So there you have it, guys. Stronger, healthier hair with incredible movement and shine. By using the shampoo, rinse-off serum, mask, leave-in mask, and biphase oil together, you aren't just styling your hair, you're reforming its very structure at the molecular level. Your hair is back to its best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.